Alright, so with the axle tubes installed in the rear axle, as well as the gear upgrade, I'm going to move on to the front axle. Now we're not going to upgrade the gears or put a locker in the front axle, but I am going to be putting the tubes in the front axle. Alright, unlike the rear axle shafts, the stock dog bones in the front will fit through the Xtra Speed Axle Tubes. Alright, so I've got the axle tube on the long side in. It was much easier to fit this in on this axle than it was on the rear axle. It's a tight fit. Alright, the front and rear axle are now finished. The rear axle has upgraded gears as well as axle tubes, and the front axle has axle tubes inside. The rear also has the Boom Racing HD steel shafts as well. And next we'll be moving on to the drive shafts. Alright, we're going to be putting the lower half of the drive shafts on. Actually, we'll probably want to use some thread lock as well. These are GDS racing shafts, and they're 107 to 145 millimeter. Once again, I am going to put the lower part of the shaft onto the axle first. And that's it for this part of the series, and next series we will continue on with the suspension and servo upgrades.